This is my first time. I've never done long line.
My long line experience is from 20 years ago, from both left seat and right seat, and neither of them worked out very well for me.
I'm prepared to be humbled. I'm excited and just trying to have fun with it and learn.
The way they're doing it step by step, I think you're going to surprise yourself. But if you can listen and you're trainable, we'll be some long line experts before the day is over.
Fingers crossed.
Okay, too high.
I started Ladies of Longline because we've been training pilots in the industry for 15 years or more, and there was hardly ever any women that came through the course. It was mostly created to expose them to what the industry was and be able to ask questions.
So far, learning just the safety of it to start with. Here they showed us how to sit in the aircraft, how it's going to be comfortable, how you can do this all day.
That took absolutely every single brain cell that I had. I have an idea of what to work on for next time when I try this again. Not perfect, and I don't think it will be for a few hours, but it was a blast.